Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini omelette. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a thin drizzle of oil. Sauté zucchini until just softened and slightly golden, then transfer to a bowl. Whisk eggs with a splash of milk or water and season. Pour eggs into the pan, add zucchini and cheese if desired. Cook gently until set, then fold and serve warm. I'll share simple tips to make your zucchini omelette reliably tasty every time. Start by salting shredded zucchini and squeezing out excess moisture with a towel. Keep the pan at medium-low to avoid tough eggs and uneven browning. Add herbs or cheese near the end to preserve aroma and melt without overcooking. Practice timing, and you'll consistently get a tender, flavorful omelette with minimal fuss and great texture. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while cooking mornings. They stay snug during kitchen prep and stand up to lots of wash cycles, making them a surprisingly useful kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Explore easy variations to suit your mood and pantry. Try feta and dill for a Mediterranean flair, or folded smoked salmon for an elegant brunch. For heartier meals, add diced ham and sauté briefly with zucchini before mixing with eggs. Top with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, or a pinch of chili flakes for contrast. Plate with bread or a simple salad, and enjoy a comforting, versatile zucchini omelette any day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.